Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to take a look at VIX10, 25, 50, 75 and 100, all from a technical perspective because there's no fundamental data to look at, right? Now, one thing I can tell you about this, it is probably one of the easiest things to trade if you apply simple price action. Now, I'm going to drop a video tomorrow, right, on how to trade support and resistance. And you can apply that in this video as well. But without any further ado, let's get straight into it, right? We're going to start with VIX10. Now, the first thing that is obviously clear over here is we can see how the market had broke below this strong level of support, right? So you see the market acted as support there, broke below support, now never came back to test it as resistance. And we can see if we look left over here, the market is also currently testing support. Now, the most easiest strategies that you can trade when it comes to trading is support and resistance. Trust me, these things always work. Or let me say it to you like this, right? It might not be a 95% probability like the FX goats claim they have, but there is a high possibility for the market to react from that level. But that video I'm going to drop tomorrow for you guys. Little strategy that you can use for synthetic indices, right? Now, this market is currently testing support, but we can see there we are faced with the most recent resistance. I do expect a pullback to this level over here, right? There at least. But we obviously need to monitor the price action as we continue to rally higher. And once we get to that level, it's just important to monitor the price and see how things look on that side as well. Now, you might wonder, what is the easiest way to get into this market as far as trading is concerned? You just apply the same concept, guys. I'm doing it on the daily. You take the daily, you go on the 1 hour, and you do the same exact thing as well. Now, VIX25 here on the daily, we can see we got a market that is currently testing previous support, and that is resistance. Got broken, tested it as support once, came back. The market tested resistance. If you go back that way, you'll see it. And now we're back to testing this level. I do see a deeper correction. We can see this is the level that the market had broken above resistance. What I would love to see over here is a daily close below this level over here, like we have now, because this level, like I said, acted as a level of resistance support. We broke below support. A retest to that level will definitely give us way for the market to move to the downside as well. Next up, we have VIX50, VIX Vapor Up. This looks like a graveyard, right? We do have the W formation that we still expect the market to complete over here. Now, for those of you that has been here long enough, you know that we always trade a W formation back to the neckline. And you can see we are also faced with very, very important structure, which is a resistance. So again, I'm highly favorable of this pullback to the neckline over here, right? I'm highly favorable to see the market complete this move first before giving us any other sort of indication of which way it wants to go. The only problem I have with this is that we are stuck within structure. Now, you guys know when you are stuck within structure, it means that the market is ranging, right? If you've ever paid $3,500 for Clint Fester's lollipop course, you would know that you don't trade the range. You must wait for the breakout, and then you use the wick of that to measure the take profit. All of that stuff. Okay, but in a range, you can always buy and sell the range, right? That is how you would trade a ranging market. And a lot of people like to scalp it, especially before high impact news takes place, because the market likes to consolidate ahead of high impact news. Now, here is a very interesting situation. The first thing, and again, this is why I tell you guys, this is one of the most beautiful charts to look at, not VIX75, right? But synthetic indices in general, because the way market structure plays out here is one of the most beautiful things that I have ever seen in my entire life. The price action is so beautiful that it once defines the law of trading, and that we have to go back to the basics, which is simple support and resistance trading. But most people will probably not believe that because there's no price associated to it. But if I had to say, guys, I am willing, I've got a course, it's called VIX75 4.0 institution. I'm selling it for 3,000 and people would probably think that there's more value in it because there's a cost associated to it. Now tomorrow I'm going to show you how to trade this stuff, right? Like nobody is going to show you, even if you have to pay for them. And hopefully you guys will take it and you will learn. Now, let me give you advice. One thing I've learned while doing these signal review videos, apart from seeing how emotional people can get, is that every trader, they apply price action in the market. All of them. There's no reason why you can't do it as well. There's really no reason. I don't see why you can't buy an expensive car. Well, through trading, of course. You can do it as well. A big house, you can get it as well. You know, one day I will tell you guys my story and where I am, how I got to where I am today. But nothing came easy for me. You understand? But I can sit here today and I can tell you, I don't need to sell you anything in order for you to become a successful trader. Okay, enough about the days of our life stories. Clearly we broke below support, came back, tested it as resistance. The market now printed an equal low. We can see we are now faced with another ranging market, although we've got structure, but we are going to identify this structure here. Again, markets like this, I normally do trade like this, but there is a potential for us to go lower. But to confirm that move, I would probably say wait for that clear break below that if you are looking to sell this market further, because the best thing you can do for yourself is always trade in the territory that you're looking to enter the market, right? Now, next up, we do have VIX100. Here we have an overextended W formation. Now, this normally plays to the left leg. Now, if it gets broken, you'll see a pullback below that structure. Resistance got broken, never came back, tested as support, broke below that, and support didn't hold. We're back to test it now as resistance once again, right? Now, this is very interesting because for me, according to price action, I'll probably see this market just continue lower to clean that neckline of the W formation. Now, guys, that is it from my side, right? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will give you guys some good pointers either tomorrow or Friday, because I am thinking about testing the FBK, what's his name, DJ Coach's 1 minute strategy. So I want to do a video on that to see if it actually works. Hopefully I'll drop it in tomorrow's video. Maybe I'll do the strategy video. Guys, take care. Thank you for your time. Thank you for the support. And as always, cheers for the ears.